Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you'll learn how you can easily add Facebook reviews for your Shopify store. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on apps and go to visit the Shopify App Store. Right here, Facebook review. And first, you are going to have options to use. Like one of the most used ones is this reputed customer reviews app, but also I recommend using this F-site Facebook reviews. Like this is also a good one, in my opinion. So you can try both of these. I recommend just trying Elsewhere first, and after 7 days, when your free trial will end, you can jump to a different one. Add application. And now install application. Okay, welcome, create a widget. And straight away you can choose like, okay, what kind of you want. I recommend using this if you have if you have good positive Facebook reviews, of course. I don't know, this one first is quite good, I think. Continue with the template. All you have to do is just connect to Facebook, Facebook review, English. You can change the layout if you want like list, if you want a masonry or grid or slider. Also really up to you. I really like the list. List is fine, I think. You got a header settings. You can show the header or you don't need to. Review request. Then you got like review. You can have like bubble. The classic is fine. I mean, the classic is understandable. And then you got author name, everything. And you got style. You can change the colors. It's really up to you. Then you just click save. Okay, save and exit. And now what you want to do is just click here on install. And then you just select the page where you want it to be. So let's say that if you're gonna create a page as our reviews or like what our customers are saying about us, you can choose the page. Like let's say this is a home page, bottom and theme, like which you are using right now. And then you just click add widget and you got it. Quite simple, quite easy to use. So this is how you actually do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, just ask down below in the comments. I will try to help you. Goodbye.